Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this camera movement on CapCut PC. So select your video. I'm just going to cut it a little bit short. And then you're just going to basically scale it up a little bit like that. And then you are going to go to the button here. Actually, you need to go to text first and add in like an O or like a dot or like anything you want basically, and like place it on the person's face, maybe like in the middle. And then on the video, add a keyframe. You're going to center the face in the middle, and then when it moves, you're going to keep centering the face in the middle of the O. And I know it is a super tedious process, but it's just how it is, you know? And it's just more accurate that way. You can do it like kind of like automatically, but it's just not accurate. And once you're done with everything, just delete like the O, and like you're going to like have your video track basically. And again, I'm sorry, but it had to be this way. I don't think I'm going to even attempt to do it till the last clip, but this is how it is, like for the first few seconds. As you can see, it kind of tracks the person's movement. There is an easier way to do this, and it's on your phone, but if you want to edit on your PC, that's how you do it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!